certification point of view, this will be the aircraft that we use to support our PMA. And PMA is just a milestone that we need to reach that will allow us to ship certified hardware to our customers. And one of the things that we've implemented is a feature called Advanced Data Control, which is really going to allow JetWave X to work very seamlessly with any other connectivity systems that are installed on the airplane. So if a customer has 2 systems installed, that feature is really going to let them get maximum value out of the system from both systems and make sure that they get the best possible passenger experience.
JetWave X provides the power of choice. So what we've been able to do is create a system that is multi-network, multi-orbit, can connect with many different networks and constellations, and really simplifying that process, really foolproofing it for an operator, which means you can decide today and not have to be concerned that your decision is going to be obsolete in the next couple of years.
I think customers that are flying for business can expect an office environment while flying in the air, and customers that are traveling for pleasure will have all the comforts of home while they transit to their destination.